Hello student, please subscribe my channel if you like my video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. We are discussing oxidizing and reducing agent. Which compound act as oxidizing agent only? They have given SO2, H2S, H2SO4 and HNO2. Here I have selected H2SO4. Why I have selected H2SO4? Because we will see that oxidation state of sulfur dioxide, it is having +4 oxidation state, but it's having minimum oxidation state as well as maximum oxidation state. Here I will tell you. See, +4 oxidation state of sulfur, oxidation state which have, it can oxidize H2S2 sulfur. Here I have written as itself it will be oxidized here. So is at that time SO2 acts as a reducing agent. It's self oxidized, so it is acting as reducing agent. And here SO2 in moisture it will form twice of H, and itself it is oxidized here +6. So here these are two examples. First one in this and second one in this as a reducing agent. But here H2S sulfur in lower oxidation state, further it can be reduced itself. Okay, so here you see H2S plus SO2. This example will go to H2S as well as SO2. So here oxidation state of sulfur is decreased. Here +4 oxidation state, here 0 oxidation state. So when its oxidation state fall down, 0. So oxidation state fall down. At that time, what is it? It is doing as a oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent or reducing agent or oxidant. And here these two examples are for reductant, because they are their oxidation state can be decreased when it oxidizes H2S2 sulfur. So itself oxidizes, so it reduces others. Itself oxidizes to reduce others. Here then 0 oxidation state, here -2. So oxidation number of this is decreased. So in this way we can say that it can increase oxidation state up to +6 and decreases oxidation state to 0. Okay, so that is why oxidant as well as reductant. HNO3, as I told you earlier, that it can increase the oxidation state up to +5 and decrease oxidation state to up to 3. So oxidant and reductant both it can act. So here and H2S is only acting as a reductant because it is lowest oxidation state. It cannot further reduce its oxidation state. So H2S is only oxidation state is -2, least oxidation state. So it is acting as only reductant. So it is only reductant. SO2 reductant at oxidant, HNO2 same, and H2SO4 only oxidant, because highest oxidation state is +6. Further it cannot expand. So it is